Welcome to today's video. If you've ever felt limited by Excel's charting options and wondered what Power BI could offer to take your data visualization to the next level, then you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to build some incredibly useful Power BI visuals that simply aren't available in Excel. By the end, you'll have 3 compelling visuals set up: ribbon charts, decomposition trees, and scatter charts, each revealing insights hidden beneath your raw data. Whether you're presenting sales results, tracking performance across regions, or exploring trends, these visuals will help your data truly stand out. Let's jump right in and start with the ribbon chart. First, inside Power BI, head over to the Visualizations pane and find the icon for the ribbon chart. It kind of looks like a series of flowing bands. Click on the ribbon chart to add it to your report canvas. Now, the real magic happens when you connect the right fields to this chart. In your Fields menu, drag and drop sales, region, quantity, and profit into the appropriate spots on the ribbon chart. For example, you might set region or sales as the axis or values. If you're new to ribbon charts, what makes them special is their ability to show ranking and transitions between categories. Imagine visualizing how your sales leaders shift across regions each month, almost like watching a race where runners change places. Unlike traditional bar or line charts, the ribbons clearly illustrate which region is climbing in the ranks and which is falling. Don't worry if this seems different at first. The ribbons move dynamically based on your data, allowing you to spot momentum and trend shifts effortlessly. Next up, let's build a decomposition tree. This is a truly unique chart type to Power BI, and it's fantastic for drilling into your data to uncover underlying factors. To add a decomposition tree, again, find its distinctive icon in the Visualizations pane. Think of it like a branching diagram. Add it to your report canvas. Now it's time to populate the tree with the data fields you want to explore. For instance, you could select region, sales, quantity, or profit, depending on what you want to break down. Once you've added your data fields, look for the little plus sign that appears on the chart itself. Click on it, it'll prompt you to choose how you want to split the data further, and for this example, go ahead and select high value. What you'll see is Power BI automatically zeroes in on the highest contributing segment, helping you instantly identify which factors are driving the most impact for your business or project. If you've ever wished Excel could help you drill down and diagnose why results are the way they are, you'll love how decomposition trees let you interactively explore causes right inside your report. For our third visual, let's set up a scatter chart. This is perfect for uncovering relationships between variables, and Power BI adds a layer of interactivity that Excel just can't match. Click on the scatter chart icon in the Visualizations pane to add it to your canvas. Now select the relevant data fields. Try adding sales and profit as the axes so you can quickly spot patterns or outliers. You might use this chart to see which regions are punching above their weight in profitability relative to their sales volume, for example. Scatter charts are the go-to visual when you want to compare large datasets and look for correlations, so don't overlook how powerful this simple plot can be. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've built 3 visuals in Power BI that unlock perspectives Excel just can't offer. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Drop any questions you have in the comments. I always love hearing how you're using Power BI in your own projects. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials and tips just like this. Thanks for watching and happy visualizing.